Money arguments aren't really about money. They're about fear, control, trust, and sometimes even love. If you've ever felt tension rise just from talking about spending, saving, or debt in your marriage, you are not alone. Hello, and welcome back to The Honest Exchange. Today we're talking about the #1 money mistake married couples keep making and the truth no one tells you. If you've ever felt like money is tearing you apart, this message is for you. Here's the truth. It's not the money that's breaking your connection, it's what money is revealing. Most couples don't argue about dollars, they argue about differences. One person feels secure through saving, the other feels freedom through spending. One sees money as protection, the other sees it as a tool to enjoy life. And when those perspectives clash, it can feel personal. Suddenly, it's not, "Why did you buy that?" It becomes, "Why don't you understand me?" That's when financial stress turns into emotional distance. When money stress isn't handled well, it slowly erodes connection. Conversations become arguments, arguments become avoidance, avoidance becomes silence, and silence becomes distance. You may still love each other deeply, but the tension makes it hard to feel safe, heard, or united, and over time, you stop feeling like a team and start feeling like opponents. Here are a few common traps many couples fall into. Avoidance, hoping the problem will fix itself. Control, one partner making all the financial decisions. Secrecy, hiding purchases or debt. Blame, turning every conversation into criticism. These patterns don't solve the issue, they deepen the divide, because at the core, every one of these behaviors says, "I don't feel safe here." Healing financial conflict doesn't start with numbers, it starts with understanding. Instead of asking, "Why did you spend that?" try asking, "What does money mean to you?" Instead of reacting, start listening. Create a shared vision. What are we building together? What matters most to us? Set simple, clear expectations, spending limits, savings goals, and honest communication. And most importantly, approach each other with grace, not judgment. Because you're not enemies, you're partners. Marriage was never meant to be a place of constant tension. It was designed to be a place of unity, growth, and peace, even in your finances. God calls us not to live in fear, but in wisdom, trust, and love. Therefore, what God has joined together, let no one separate. Mark 10:9. Let your marriage be stronger than your money struggles, because when you choose unity, you can overcome anything together. If this message spoke to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs encouragement today. And remember, healthy marriages aren't perfect, they're intentional.